welcome back to my channel, and today is a Glossybox unboxing. It is a special edition, I believe. It has sold out, so I do apologise. I try not to film anything that has sold out, but because it is a Christmas box, I just had to film it. It's going to be beautiful. If you did want one, you can still get a box this month, but it will be a standard box, not the special edition, so I do apologise. But if you do want to see what's in the special edition Christmas box, then stay tuned. So I haven't actually opened it yet. Had a lot on this morning. We have a very clingy baby today. I can't get in it. As per usual, some things, they never change. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so we are in the box. Oh, it is beautiful. So this is the All That Glitters Christmas Edition special box. It is stunning. So pretty. There's all confetti on it in gold. Oh, it's beautiful. Now I save all my special edition boxes. I chuck away my pink ones normally, so this will be in my keep pile. How stunning is this? So let's have, okay. So we have a gold ribbon, we have gold detail. It's beautiful. Let's take a look what we've got. I bet we have red tissue paper, or is it going to be gold? Ooh. I'm not looking at the chart just yet on the pricing. Let's just take a look inside the red tissue paper. So you can see the red here. Let's take a look what we've got. So, first thing I can see, it looks like a sample. It's a pore strip with charcoal, removes blackhead. It's a very small sample, so I'm guessing this is an added extra. This is the first thing I have seen. Don't know how I feel about that. Hold on. It's here, it's here. There you go. Oh, there you go. The next thing I can see is a Divine Hydrogel Lip Mask. It's meant to plump, tighten, smooth and hydrate the lips. This looks really quite nice and posh. I have used lip masks in the past. There's two in here, which is good, because normally there's only one in something such as this. I didn't get on with lip masks. I don't think they do much, but this I will give a go. See how we go on with that one. This box is meant to be something like Christmas glittery glam. So we'll see what we've got in here that's glittery, because there's got to be something right. So next thing I've got here, liquid jelly blush. I'm not a fan on jelly blushes or like wet blushes at all. I prefer a good matte blush. I'm not keen. This looks like a nice colour though. It does have a bit of a glimmery sheen to it, like a little gold pigment in there. So we'll have to see how we go with that. This will look nice with a very glowy makeup, so with a very dewy foundation, not a matte one, because obviously jellies and wet sort of things on top of powder don't really work. So I was just reading the text. I've got my friend coming soon. So that is that one by Nico Pro. I've never heard of that brand. I don't know if any of you have. I'm not too sure. Oh, what's this? I can see some shimmery. This looks interesting. So we've got this little tube. It doesn't actually tell me much about it other than it's a shimmer roll. It says eyes, face and body, and it is like a loose pigment. You can move it and it shakes around. Let's take a look. So it is a rolly ball like the ones that you have as a child. Oh, that noise, beautiful. So it is quite a nice loose pigment. If you can see there on my hand, that would look nice as a base colour on the lid. How does it stay on if we rub it in? It's quite pretty. You could put it on your shoulders for an added highlight if you go into like a Christmas do or something. It's just a nice sheen. It's not come across on camera very well. Okay. And last but not least, Cosmic Unicorn Limited Edition Moon and Sparkle Unicorn Dust Shower Gel. I think I've seen this in like Asda Living. Let's take a sniff. It reminds me of a child sort of shower gel. It does smell quite nice, but I don't know. I don't know what's in this. It's meant to make it sparkly, I think. Cosmic Unicorn Shower Gel. Leave your skin feeling magically scented and soft. Yeah, I can see that's quite appealing, but to me, I've got very sensitive skin. I don't know how we're going to go on with that. It is pretty. I like the packaging. It does smell nice. Is that it? What? No, it's got to be something else. Let me root. Ah, this is what I've been waiting for. So we have a lip crayon by Douce or Douce, I don't know. It is in this nice reddy wine colour. Perfect for the Christmas season, I think, personally. I do have a colour like this already, but it is a nice colour, and let's see the formula, see how. Oh, it's very nice, very soft. You can build up on the intensity on that. So I've just done a little line there. It's quite a nice colour actually. It's very smooth on the skin. That's the colour of the tip. And it is, I believe, sharpenable, if that's a word. That is really pretty, and it is so smooth. It goes on really nice and soft, not drying. Really nice colour. Perfect for Christmas. This is the item that I was excited about in this box. I totally forgot about it, to be honest. And that is it. So how many products do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 in the sample. So you get an extra one because it's Christmas. The thing that I'm most excited about is the lip crayon and the shimmery stuff. That look really nice as a highlighter, just for a gentle glow. You could use it on your lid, but I don't know how the fallout would be, especially if you've got some lashes on. You do know what I mean when there's fallout and you've got a lash on and it just builds up on the lash and it looks a little bit grubby. But it'll be interesting to play with, see what we can do with that. Them together would be a nice Christmas combo. And the blush, I don't know. It might be nice when you've not got a lot of makeup on and you just want a quick fluster, like to look natural. I bet it's a really nice natural sort of blush, that one. The lip mask, we'll give it a try. See how we go on with that. Lip masks are pretty standard, I think. It's meant to moisturise and do all these crazy cool things, but the lip mask's a lip mask, I find, end of the day. And then there is this pore strip for blackheads. I don't tend to have blackheads, but I like a pamper. So let's just take a look at the pricing. The box is gorgeous in itself. Do like a few of the items. It's not the best box I've ever had. Where's your face gone? What the? Mummy's here. So we have the shower gel, which is full size, $1.99. What's the matter, kitten? So at $1.99, some Superdrug if you did want it. I've just adjusted the camera just so you can see this cute little face. I love her. Don't look at my scabby arms though. She's really fussy today, really not great. She's got a bit of colic. She just wants to be near her mummy. I've just woken up. Oh dear, let me rub your back. The lip mask is $7.50 and that is a full size. You get 2 in there. The lip crayon is in the shade Winterberry. Oh kitten, do you know when this no more? Oh, be careful. What's that? I've got you. I don't know that I've said it now. I've totally lost place. The lip crayon is in Winterberry and that is $16.95. That's full price. The jelly blush is £12. My goodness. That's full price as well. I'm surprised that that's £12. I think that's quite a lot for a jelly blush. Wouldn't you say so? Yeah, I agree. And the little paw strip is an extra treat. So it's like a little sample. And that is £3.50. The shimmer roll ball is full size. Come on then. We'll get some dinner in a minute. And that's £19.99. Are you kidding? £20 for a rolly ball thing. Must be good. Must not have much fallout. And the sneak peek for January. So if you do sign up, you can get the January box if you sign up pretty soon. That is sneak peek. What is this? Deluxe hyaluronic acid face and night cream. It's okay, my lovely. Oh, we'll get some milky in a minute. You've gone to the wrong side of your sling. Oh, I love it so much. She's not very well. I've got you, Mummy's got you. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, 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 shh. So that is the Christmas box. Let's see how much it kind of adds up to. I'm not very good at the math. So we have 2, 10, 20, 30, 40. About £44 for that box, and you buy it for £10, and there is a little bit extra for delivery. I think postage and packaging is like £2.95 or something. So you are getting a lot there for your money. Again, I'm sorry that this box is sold out. It is stunning and it's so pretty. But if you do want one this month, they will send you a box full of random pieces that have been out through the year. They're always really good products. I've never really had an issue with anything. Nothing's ever brought me out in a rash. Not sponsored at all, by the way. Just really love the box. I like the little treat every month, and I absolutely adore the special edition boxes as well. If you wanted to get yourself some money off, I think it's 20% off, then use my discount code that will be on the screen and will also be in the description. Again, it's not sponsored, it's just a way to get refer a friend sort of type thing. Anybody can do that. I'm not paid, I am not promoted or anything, I just like to share this box with you. So I hope you did enjoy this video. My favourite item out of the box would be the lip crayon, because who doesn't love a deep red colour at Christmas? I do have a couple of reds, but nothing in a lip crayon. So it is something a little bit different, and it'll probably look a lot better than a liquid lipstick because it's not all cracky and, you know. So thank you for watching. I am sorry that there is a little addition here, but she needs a mama. And this little girl comes first now. I did want to get this filmed and have this out as soon as possible. Like I said, I hadn't even opened the box yet. And I wanted to share with you what was inside. I'm going to try and keep the norm up with getting videos out. It might just be a little bit longer wait. It might just be a little person involved. So this is me now. I am not a single package. I come with a little baby. So I hope that that's okay with you guys. If it's not, then you know what to do. I don't like losing subscribers, but if this channel's not for you, then that's fine. Is that my friend? Yes. Do you want to say hello? I don't want to say hello. Yeah. My little friend's here now. Hello. Oh God. Hello. Hi. Come and say hello. 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 Hi. She's so sweaty and hot.
It's because she's in your boobies.
Yeah.
Hello, darling.
She's so hot. Can't even put her down for a wee.
This isn't it.
Hello, Holly. Hello, gorgeous girlie. Hello.
Say we're not only one clingy baby today. We've got two.
We have 2 children. Aww.
We've got 2 clingies.
We've got to say goodbye. Would you like to wave?
Can I say bye?
Thank you for watching. Bye.